All right, guys. So we have Trade Wave Tuesday. So why not TI Strength Thursdays? Now, for those who don't know, TI Strength, that's this scan I have over here on this side. And what this is an algorithm that I created that uses a series of indicators to rank stocks. Just think of it, the more indicators are pointed bullish, the higher ranked up it is in the overall system. The lower, the most downranked. And the idea is that we know, and it's been tested, we tested this over a 5 year period, including bear markets, that the higher up you are in uh, strength, the better you do overall. So just by narrowing your focus and looking at relative strength, that makes things a lot easier because you can just say, hey, just show me the strongest names. I know based off a lot of academic studies, a lot of studies that I've done myself, if I stick with the strongest names, I'll probably do okay. And I will certainly outperform people who keep buying dips. Rest in peace for the Bed Bath and Beyond crowd that's still thinking that that's going to come back. The so the idea is once it's in a downtrend, it's going to be off this list. So we don't have to care about it anymore. And then from there, we use basic technical analysis. We'll use our eyes. We'll try to figure out what's going on. So what I'm going to do each and every Thursday is I'm going to highlight one of these scans. Now, if you want to be able to see all of these all the time, click on the link in the description below. Check out trade ideas there. We're going to highlight FOX today with FOXA. This is one that's the #1 ranked, so it made my life easy because I just clicked on the top rank one. And this one looks okay, but let's actually just go and annotate this up a little bit, right? We're going to draw a line here. You can see how this was a prior high. We broke that prior high. We came down. We tested that as support. That's sitting around 41 bucks a share, give or take. And we're starting to push off that level. That's exactly what we want to see if we want to get involved in something that's strong. Prior levels of resistance should act as support, vice versa. That's what we want to see over time. And we're starting to break out here, even on a day. You can see the strength we have today. Even the SPY is opened up today and sold off and looks like it might be going red. We have FOXA or Fox Corporation doing pretty strong, doing the exact opposite. Gap down on the day, rallying up into strength, butting up against these highs right here. I think the trade on this one for me is going to be pretty simple. I like this over this kind of 42.50 area. My stop's going to go under this $41 area. It's simple, right? If we take a look here, we zoom out into the longer term chart. Let's go to a monthly chart. You can see that we are up against this prior resistance right here in a very strong monthly chart. So through here, maybe we get up to $50 a share, and who knows from there. But we're only risking about $1 a share. So if we can get any more than $1 a share, that is a positive risk reward. That's exactly what we want to see. And that is what I'm looking for here on this TI Strength Thursday.